Good morning. Very good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. Yes, children. Yes. Shall we start? Yes. What is the date today? Today is 19th. We are in the month of August. Year is 2021. Today is Thursday, right, children? Yes. Thursday we have English. So let us see what is the thought for the day. Be yourself for everybody. Health is already taken. Okay. Yes. We are in which lesson, children? We are in the lesson first. Yes, a hero with a difference. Yes, what we learned in previous class. We learned about a hero, right? Who's that? Masood. Yes, Masood Rahman Badia. Yes, yes, he's a great man. Yes, we learned about him story, right? Take out your textbook, children. English textbook part 1. Yes, here we learned about Masood. He was born where he was born? He was born in West Bengal. Yes, in 1968. And which place he was born? Born Balapur. Yes, Balapur. There he was born. And in a train accident, goods train accident, his legs both have been lost. Yes, he has lost his legs in that accident. Yes, his father, his family is a poor family. Yes, his father was imam in a local mosque. Okay, like a pujari in mosque. Okay, that is imam. Okay. Then after the accident, Masood went to the hospital. What happened? Doctors told that he would not able to walk. So what the parents, their family members thought, he cannot walk, he needs somebody's support, like that they thought. But he had that great thing in his mind. So what he did, he didn't sit simply, he started to learn swimming. Yes, he started to learn swimming. In his village only, first he started to learn the swimming by himself. But it was very difficult. Without legs, can we swim? It is very difficult, right? We have both legs and hands and legs, but we are not able to swim. But then too, he's lost his legs, then also he didn't lost his courage. Yes, then what he did? He started practicing to swim also. Yes, children? Yes, this and all he did. Then he participated in 1989, where Artificial Limb Center of Pune, they organized some national swimming competition. In that he participated. From West Bengal to Maharashtra he travelled and he won in that. Okay, in 16 out of 17 races he only came first position. Okay, so he won that, and he was very bold person, very courage person. He is not living his confidence. Okay. So he did this and all. Yes, then in 1997 he became famous in English news channels and all. His name came. Okay, then he became very great person also. Then you know this Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, even he also met him and he told, you are a great hero. You are very inspiration for everybody. Like that he told, and he saluted him. Yes, children. Yes, this and all we learned in previous class, right? Yes, about Masood. Yes, he is a great man, right? Yes. Then we have in page number 4. Turn page number 4, children. Understand the text. We have exercise 1. New words here. Yes. Can you see? Yes. This is the words. Okay. And meanings I already written. Let us see what is that meanings. I write on the board. Okay, children? Yes. Try to write, children. Yes. Exercise 1. Yes, words. First one is mole. What is the meaning of mole? A mole is a black spot. Black spot present on a skin. That is the meaning. Okay. Then next what we have, yes, individual. Yes, of or for a particular person. Okay. Yes. Then next what we have, imam. What is the meaning of Tell me, the person who leads, the person who leads prayers. Yes, who leads prayers in a mosque. So he is called as Imam. Okay. Then next, extremely. Extremely. What is extremely, children? R-E. Okay. Spelling also very important. Extremely. To a very great degree. Yes. Degree. This is R, children. R. Okay. Can you see it? Yes. Then next what we have? Next word, unmatched. Unmatched. Not matched. Okay. Not matched or equaled. Not matched or not equaled. Okay. Then next what we have? Limb. L-I-M-B. Limb. What is limb? Limb. Limb. An arm. Okay. An arm. An arm or leg of a person. That is called limb. Yes. Then next what we have? Bagged. B-A-G-G-E-D. Bagged. What is bagged? Succeeded. Yes. Succeeded in something. In something he has been succeeded. That is called as bagged. Sorry, bagged. Okay. Yes. Then next, conducted. Conducted. What is conducted? To organize. To organize and do something. That is called organize. Sorry, conducted. Yes, children? Yes. Shall I run? Try to complete. If not, I will send the pic in the group also. Okay, you can copy from the group also. Yes, children? Yes. But try to complete in the class. Then the burden will be less for you. Yes, children? Yes. Then next what we have? After conducted, we have preservance. Preservance. Okay. What is that? Continued. Yes. Continued effort to do. Okay. That is called preservance. Okay. Then next, English channel. What is that English channel? It is a channel. It is a channel which covers the news. Okay. Then next what we have? Feed. What is that feed? Something you do that shows great strength. Yes, children? Yes, it is visible. Yes. Then next what we have? Saluting. Okay. I will be showing with the book, children. Yes. See, listen carefully. Yes, children. Next is saluting. To address with expressions of kind wishes. Okay, that is saluting. Then enthusiastically. Yes, children, pronouncing is difficult, right? Yes. Describing anything you do cheerfully. Dedicated, giving a lot of your energy, time, efforts. That is called dedicated. Determination, the quality of having firmly decided to do something you are decided to do. That is called determination. Okay. Then next children, I will ask the question. Tell me the answers, children. You learn. If you understand this lesson, then you can easily answer the questions. Yes. Then tell me what is the answer for that. Where and when was Masadur born? Where he was born and when he was born. Can you tell me? Masadur was born in West Bengal in 1968. Yes, children? Yes. That you should write here. Okay. I will be sending the pic. You can complete. Okay. Today we will revise the question and answers. Then, when did Masadur learn swimming? When he learned swimming? After Masadur lost his legs, he learned swimming. After his legs got lost, right? Then he started learning swimming. Okay. Then, what was the first national event Masadur attended? What were the results? The first national event was Artificial Limb Center of Pune organized a national swimming competition. Masadur won first position in that. Okay. Yes. Then what did Sachin Tendulkar say about Masadur? What did he say? Sachin Tendulkar said, they are the real heroes and their lives are like an inspiration to all of us. Like that Sachin Tendulkar told. Yes, children? Yes. Then exercise 3, read and answer. Read the story carefully. Write the description of the important events which happened in Masadur's life on the timeline given below. Yes. Here I will read. You have to do this. This is your homework. Please, children. Now only see page number 5. Exercise 3, read and answer is your homework. Okay, you have to do. Masadur Rahman Badia was born in Dash village. Which village he was born? Yes, you know. Yes, children, see here. Balabpur. Yes, in that village he was born. That you should mention here. Okay. In Dash state. In which state? West Bengal. That you should mention. Okay. Then only one answer I will tell. Other all you should do. Okay. You are grade 5 kids. You should do. When he was 10 years old, what he did, you should write here. Okay. In 1997, he became famous when he became famous in 1997, right? What famous he became, how he became, that you should write here. Okay. Read the lesson, then you will get the answer. You can write easily. Okay. In 2014, Masadur met Dash, who praised him and said that Dash, whom he met. Yes, you know, just now I told Sachin Tendulkar, right? That you can write. Then what he said, that words you should write. Okay. Then in 2015, what happened? That you should write. He died, right? That you can write. Yes, children. Yes, this is your homework. Only exercise 3. Very small homework only. You should do by your own. Yes, children. If you understand this lesson, definitely you will do the homework. Yes, but we are not getting from grade 5 any homeworks. Why, I don't know. We are also taking video and sending you, right, children? Then why you are not sending the homework? Please send the homework, children. Okay? Yes. If you do the homework only, you will learn. Yes? Yes. Then today this is enough. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.